Guys, do you want $50 no deposit bonus every month? If yes, you're on the right place. You're on the right video here. In this broker, I'll tell you that how you can get $50 no deposit bonus from this broker every month. So what you have to do first, you have to come into this broker here. You have to click on get started. Once you click, the new page will come in front of you. What you have to do, you have to click on a live here. Here's a demo and live. You have to select the live account. After that, you will have to fill form your information over here. You have to write your first name, your middle name, your last name, your country, and your number, your email ID, and you have to put your password here, and you have to confirm your password again here, and here whatever the option you want to use you can. After that, you have to click on a continue. Guys, you click on a continue, then this page will come. Here you have to put your further information like your gender and your date of birth over here. Then you have to put your address line 1, address line 2. After that, you have to choose your town or city, your province, and your postal code, and then you have to click on a continue. Okay guys, and click on a continue, then this page will come here. Whatever the if you want account in a euro, you have to click on a euro. If you in a USD, on a USD, you can click over here. In MT4 you want to work, in MT5 you want to work, you can click over here, and you have to choose here USD or a euro, whatever you want to use. Here you can choose any account here, any leverage. After that, you will have to check all these information. All right, once you done that, your account will be ready. You will get a code, verify code. You will have to click on the broker, and then your all the information will be complete, and your account will be created in this broker. Then you will have to go to your login area. I'm going to my login area, and then I'm going to tell you that what you have to do, and what you have to do to get $50 notable bonus every month. Guys, now we are on a dashboard. Here you have to upload your documents, your CNIC, and your further information, whatever this broker is asking. You have to select your CNICs over here. You have to upload your all document. Once you uploaded all the document, then you will have to come on competition. Okay, so here every month this broker is going to give $50 to each one who is just joining or in this competition. So in this month's competition is over. Every month you can come here and enter this competition, and you will get $50 no deposit bonus every month. Here are the terms and conditions of the competition. You will have to use no any robot. You have to use over here. You have to complete lot size of per order. You can use 0.10 lot size, and maximum numbers of orders you can open, that is 5, and you can trade here each and everything. 10 days this bonus will be activated, and you will have to work in this. So this broker is offering $50 no deposit bonus every month. You have to just come to, in the beginning of the every month you have to come, and you have to enter in the competition. Once you enter, you'll get $50. You can do work on that, and whatever the profit you generate, you can withdraw. Hopefully you got everything. See you next video. Whatever, if you want to know anything else about this broker, you can write a comment below in the video, and I will try my level best to answer you. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Allah Hafiz. See you next video.